How to log in Microsoft Copilot application. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are ready to log into the Microsoft Copilot app, then it only takes a minute. So here's how you do it. First of all, open the Microsoft Copilot application on your device, whichever device you are using currently, and once you open up this page, go to the upper right corner and tap on Sign In. Now you have a couple of different options available so that you can get back to your account. You can go ahead and continue signing in with Microsoft accounts credentials or use the Google login option. But in this video, we are going to continue with Microsoft. So go ahead and tap on Continue with Microsoft, and on the next page, this is the account I currently have over here. Just to show it to you, I'm just gonna add another account over here. So as soon as you tap on Sign In, you will see this interface. Here, go ahead and type in your email or phone number or your Skype ID associated with your Microsoft account and click Next. On the next page, you can go ahead and sign in using password or via email code option. There are other ways to sign in as well. Just tap on this button over here and it'll show other ways that can be use your password and send a code to your email. Just pick anyone and just type in your credentials that is asked of you and click on send code or enter your password and tap on login. So right after you do that, you'll be signed in if you've used the password option. But if you've used the email option, then you'll need to go log into your email address's inbox and then find the code that has been emailed to you. Once you do that, after typing in the correct code, you will be logged into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. Here you can ask questions, generate content, summarize text, get creative ideas, and much more. So there you have it. You've successfully logged into the Microsoft Copilot app. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.